Hello, this is Shep and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, and in front of us today is a 1969 Toyota Land Cruiser, the FJ40. This one has been in the same family since the early 70s. So two-owner rig with obviously most of his time with one family. So the first time it's been on the market in decades. This has the original inline 6 3-speed manual transmission that's on the tree. You turn the tree, and it's a fantastic find for somebody. So this is not your $60,000 or $80,000 fully restored FJ, but it's had great service throughout its whole life. We've got the records. Some of those are handwritten. This family did a lot of their own maintenance. We've got a lot of other service from professional shops, service records as well. So this one's been well maintained, and we spent about $1,200 because over its last 5 years, it really did just get driven less and less, and that's why it's on the market. Kids have grown, but this was the family rig. It did adventures in California, Arizona, Idaho. It was really the family get out there and get it done rig. So going back to the $1,200 we spent, even though it's on consignment, we do treat every car like it's our car. It's got our name on it. So we went through and had to replace rear cylinders on the drums. Both were leaking, and that oil got on the pads and drums, so those had to be replaced as well. We sorted out some lights, 4-wheel drive system, etc. So it's ready to go now. This family, they did great maintenance throughout. They recently, in the last 5 years or so, had it painted, restored the wheels. It does have the original hubcaps on it. Axles were replaced. The 4-wheel drive, we found just some of the vacuum lines were a little, just want to show off that the hubs are free and easy to turn. We did replace vacuum lines that were old, and then we actually had to open up the transfer case because those vacuum lines were weak, and we were operating the system, just checking it out. We found out that the linkage kind of bound up, and so we opened that up, fixed all that, and 4-wheel drives ready to roll. Great paint on the outside, good paint on the inside. The paint job is certainly serviceable. Anybody's going to say, hey, that's the original sky blue color, which it is, but it's not, it's not show quality. Upon close examination, you will find here and there, that's just a little smudge. You'll find some drips, some imperfections, but that's why this is such a great find. Great metal, mechanically sound, for a good price. So 69 FJ. The interior is equally as sorted as the exterior. Oh, here's just the historical receipts, so you know what's been done and when. We'll add our records to that as well. We've got the original, not the original title, but we do have the clean title, written records, etc. That all comes with it. But when they painted, they did the interior as well. So underneath these mats, you've got good clean metal. The interior doors painted. The rear floor, we'll show you, has been painted as well. Reupholstered front seats. So that's what I like about this, is it's not your high-end, price point, afraid to take it out rig, and it's not your $10,000, $12,000 just project rig. We'll show you the back as well.
So again, really nice metal. No problem spots in any of the seams and the doors. The hinges all look really good.
The original struts, style struts, are in great shape. Really clean floor back there. Not all banged up and beat up. It does have a roll bar in there. The top's come off at least once in its life to get that roll bar in there. And because of that roll bar, the seat anchors in the front position are not in. So it's sitting a little cattywampus just because they would get attached right where the roll bar is. So be aware of that. I mean, not super safe for kids, no seat belts anyway, but kind of a fun space, but that's not anchored down where it should be. It's not going to move around and rattle around, but not exactly correct. Oh, the other thing too is these tin cans can certainly heat up if you're using these in the summertime. So this family actually put in a vent system, and when this first came in, before it was detailed, it's been sitting outside down in our service area. It's gone through some torrential rain and can guarantee you that we've got no leaks there. So that's a non-factory piece that you should be aware of. You can probably see it in some of the photos, but good to mention. I do read on different blogs how people have mentioned in the past how these can get hot, and that was this family's solution to that. All the greenhouse is in good shape, no cracks on the glass or the seals. I guess there's a few cracks right there on the seals. Those seals did not come out for the repaint as a tape line. Original engine has about 150 on it. We'll fire it up, go for a test drive, show you all the lights, etc.
There's the running lights. Close that. So there's his running lights. Left blinker, right blinker. The windshield wipers work great. Go around back, check out the back lights. So you got those running lights, brake lights, left blinker, and right blinker. Go ahead and hop in for a ride.
Choke operational. It'll certainly need a little choke on cold mornings. brakes, as discussed, have just been redone. So no jerking, no pulling. You can go completely hands off the wheel and it goes nice and straight. And then reverses in and up. Four-wheel drive's kind of fun. You have to get out, pull the hubs, and then that's your engagement right there into your four-wheel drive. And like I said, we just went completely through that system. I'm Shep. I can be reached at 208-721-1973.
Or you can reach out to Nick at 563-676-8225. All right, thanks for watching.